5 tips to make your portrait look instantly more realistic. Tip number 1, don't paint the face. The details of the facial features tend to take our attention, and that's exactly why you should avoid them early on in the process. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't put in doors and windows before you've laid the foundation. Portraits work in just the same way. If you start with details too soon, everything else will fall apart. Get the light, shadow, and broad shapes working together first before you refine any of the features. Lead the viewer. Not every detail matters. Choose one area, like a single eye, to sharpen. In that eye, use the most contrast, highest clarity, and smallest details. As you get further from that focus, let everything soften and lower in contrast. Remember, if everything is in focus, nothing is in focus. Do you suffer from imposter syndrome? You love the look of impasto, yet you're scared to use it. Let me tell you a little secret. Using impasto with confidence enhances the effect. So don't use impasto everywhere, but when you do, be bold. Carve your painting like a sculpture. Sometimes the best way to increase depth isn't by adding more paint. It's actually by removing it. Scraping down creates soft atmospheric edges and reveals the lower layers of paint, helping the colors to blend in a way that feels more like life. This also helps to enhance the effect of impasto. Don't be afraid to play in the mud. Adding touches of gray in a few key areas can actually make your colors stand out more. The lack of saturation contrasts with the paint that has higher saturation. This adds depth, creates contrast, and prevents your colors from looking artificial. For the full video covering these techniques completely for free, comment portrait.